In this video, I will show you how to find your Windows 11 product key so you can activate your system or reinstall it when needed. Now, I'm going to show you two methods on how to obtain this. So for the first method, what you want to do from your desktop is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here, type CMD and then open up command prompt underneath best match. Once you've opened up your command prompt, there's going to be a command that you're going to want to type. What I will do is leave this in the video description down below, so you can just copy and paste it from the video description. So what you want to do is copy and paste that into command prompt. This is what it looks like, and then go ahead and hit enter on your keyboard. Once you've done that, it should display your original product key, which you can then use for a reference, or if you need to reinstall Windows, or whatever you need it for, you should find it using this method. Now, if for any reason that didn't work, then the next thing you can do is if you come out of command prompt, and what you want to do is come back down to your search box. This time you want to type regedit and then open up the registry editor underneath best match. So we can also use the registry editor to find the Windows 11 product key. To do this, if you come over to the left hand side, once you've got this opened, you want to click onto the small arrow next to H key local machine. Then what you want to do is click onto the small arrow next to software. What you want to do now is look for the Microsoft folder. It's in alphabetical order, so just come down to M. You should see a folder called Microsoft and click the small arrow next to that folder. Next, what you want to do is look for the Windows NT folder. Again, it's in alphabetical order, so just come down to W and you should see a folder called Windows NT. So you can see that's here. Give the small arrow a click. And then what you want to do is click the arrow next to the current version folder. And what we're looking for now is a folder called Software Protection Platform. So it's again in alphabetical order, come down to S and click the small arrow next to this folder. Now, what you can do at this point is actually click onto the Software Protection Platform folder. And in here, you should see something called Backup Product Key. Now, of course, I've blurred by now for security reasons, but in the data column, you should find your product key here as well. So that is how to find your Windows 11 product key. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.